Assalamualaikum guys, in this video you will learn how to create three different styles of tone paper effect so that you can give to your images. I am your host Wajiha Naeem and welcome to my channel in Crowdburst. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my latest video. So here is the Canva interface. First you will select the image on which you want to create the tone paper effect, or you can upload that image. I will select from the Canva. I will take this image. You can adjust the size of the image which you want to show. Okay, now I will go to the elements and I will type shapes. There are different shapes, so you can select different shapes according to your choice. Here I will bring this also and adjust it like the other. Both sides should be equal. Okay, now I will adjust the image like this. I will change the color of these sides. Now I will duplicate this image and remove the background of this image. I will select the photo and go to edit photo. There is an option to remove the background, so I will remove the background of the image and I will bring this image to the upper of the image. You have to that I will make it bigger, the backward image, so the upper image will pop out. I will make it bigger more. Now I will select this image and I will increase the size of the image like this and adjust the image. Adjust the image on the backward image. I will go to the position and backwards. Now I will go to the elements and choose this type slash water splash. There are different options you can select according to the image. I will make the size smaller of the splash. I will duplicate it and bring it here also. Now I will go to the elements and I will type tone paper line. There are different styles of tone paper lines and select according to your choice. I will select this and adjust it to my frame. I will duplicate it here. Now I will go to the position and select the backward, so it will go to the backward to the man's hand. Now we will make another design. I will choose the background. You can also choose whatever you want. Background color. I will go to the elements and upload the picture. There are so many images on the Canva. You can choose individual designs. These are very that can give very cool or amazing effects to your images. I will select this one. I will select the image and I will go to the background. I will remove the background of the image. Now I will go to the elements and there are the options, frames. I will choose the torn paper frame. Torn paper frame, there are so many frames. I will choose this one. Now I will drag the image and drop into the frame. So this is our image. Now I will go to the share button and download the image. Image has been downloaded. Now I drag it here. I will select the shape. Make the size bigger of the image and color same like the background. Now I will remove all the torn paper part. Now I will duplicate it again and move it here. So this is how you can create different style effect. This is the sound. I will go to the third. I will go to the elements and there are different type of torn paper frames. I will choose that has the same size. I will select this one or make the size bigger of the frame. Now I will go to the elements, or you can search from the Canva for images, or you can also download from Google, Pinterest, or any other stock images websites. There are different images. I will drag and drop here. Now I will double click and adjust my image so this look very nice here. Now I will choose another image to put here. I will select this one and drag and drop here. The face of the girl is not showing. Here is the complete picture of a girl is showing in the frame. I will change the background of the image, or you can choose the different size. So this is how you can create different styles of torn paper effect. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any latest video. Have a nice day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.